Now it's done?
Yep. Hi, folks.
Show your gloves.
Hi.
This is not for the
Faint of heart.
faint of heart.
Faint of heart.
Faint of heart. This is the insides of that deer.
Walk off.
Huh? And he just gutted on November. I have no idea. It's a Saturday. And got his deer for this trip. Yesterday he got a hog. Today, 2007, he's got his deer for 2007 deer season. It's a very, very sad thing if you're here with us. Thank goodness that you don't have to see this in person. Okay, there's my man right there. There's the hunter. Isn't he sweet? He made his day.
Yep, now we can go home.
Yay! Leaving tomorrow morning, 3 o'clock. Be there about 2. Love everybody. Say hi, bye.
Bye, everybody. See you in a little while.
Okay. Zoom to dead foe. And
Wait, let me get done.
fade to black.
Okay, bye, everybody. Next time.